Righto, leaving a bit later than I'd like to this morning. It's 6 o'clock at the moment, or 10 past 6. There's a bit of a, I don't know if you can see the sun coming up behind me here, but just around there was a shower that I had to wait for to go past. I didn't really want to get wet, even though I'm drenched right now, and that's just purely sweat because it is hot. Anyways, let's punch it out there. The water is flat as a tack. I'll just quickly show you in the creek. Usually it's a bit ripply, but it's just flat. So good indication that, yeah, it should be all right out there. Let's go. I'm just coming up to a mark where I found a bit of life in the past and a heap of bait here. There's actually a boat in the distance right where I wanted to go, so I don't want to go anywhere near him, but I'll just start trolling the lure around and finding some bottom fish hopefully. But if I can get a mackerel while I'm trolling around, that'll be good, so that's the plan. Righto, so there's a few fish showing up on the bottom here. We're in about 20.6 meters of water. Some stuff showing up out on the side scan as well, but I'll just focus on what's underneath us. And yeah, there's a bit of a show there. There's some good fish. Might start with a couple pillies, I think. Righto, I'm on the bottom. Look at all the fish showing up here. That is a crazy amount of fish. No bites yet. Oh, there we go. Nanny. That's a smallmouth nanny guy, but that'll do. Righto, first fish of the day. Nice little smallmouth nanny. I'll just give him a quick measure. They got to be 40. He's well and truly legal, but just for camera reasons, I'll just get him on the brag mat for you. So, and yeah, well and truly legal. He's 45, so good in there. Righto. Should get the squid out really, eh? Just have a look at all the fish. From 20 meters to 12 meters, there's fish showing. Big manta ray jumping out of the water. What have I got? Another nanny. Lovely. They're all about the 40 centimeters. This one got him right in the gills here. This one's a bit smaller, so I'll just quickly measure him. And yeah, he's just over 40, so he's legal too. Another little smallmouth. The largemouth nannies are the prized fish, but you know, these are pretty good eating too, especially around this size. So we'll put them in the esky and yeah, hopefully get some more. Still heaps of fish down there, but I haven't been able to pull any up for 10-15 minutes now. I just keep losing my baits down there. Squid doesn't last very long, and the pillies are just as bad, so that's a good fish. Oh, look at the big shark coming up to get it. Holy, that is a massive blackback. That is a massive smallmouth nanny. That'd be in the 50s for sure. Good in there. Another nanny. Oh, they're thick here, I tell ya. Nothing you haven't seen before. Another smallie. Straight in the esky. Good in there. I keep forgetting to record, but anyway, there's another fish. Righto, number 5, I believe. To be honest with you, I'd like to catch something else other than these now, but we'll just keep going. I'm here for a feed, so woo! Good in there. I'm seeing Spanish mackerel everywhere. Oh, look at the shark. Look at the big It's a little Spanish. Oh, he threw the hook. See that shark? I don't know if you've seen him. He come right up wanting it, eh? Look at them sharks there. That was on just the... Oh, he bit my hook off. I can't even use this jig anymore. Oh, that's all right. Well, the shark wasn't too far away, but I got him up. That's a beautiful fish, eh? Oh, sorry, bud. Nanny number 6. Straight in the esky. Just going for a bit of a troll. I'm seeing a lot of Spanish mackerel around, and plus the sharks there were getting pretty bad. I think they turned the fish off the chew a bit, so I might go back to them later. But if I find another spot where the fish are on the bottom, I'll fish there. So just gonna have a bit of a drive around, and who knows, I might run into some Spanish or even some bottom fish that I haven't come across yet. So that's the plan. That's a big mackerel. That was a very violent run. Where are you, mate? Oh no, it's a tuna. I thought it was a mackerel. Oh. Fuck, they go hard, these things. Fuck, I'm hopeless at fucking gapping, I tell ya. These aren't good eating, but this will be crab bait or something. Nice sized mac tuna. They're not really good eating. This is going to be crab bait one day, so I'm going to keep them anyways. But yeah, straight in the esky. Good in there. So the whole idea of keeping that tuna was for crab bait tonight. I got one more night down the hut and I don't have enough bait to rebait the pots this afternoon, so I was going to use them nanny frames, but I'm going to leave them whole and fillet them when I get home. And that tuna I'll just cut up into quarters, and that'll be bait for the pot. So hopefully we can get a few crabs when we get back. That would be ideal. Righto, here we are. There is absolutely bugger all on the bottom here. but I'll just drop anyways. I might get something small, something half alright maybe, you never know. It might be a little Lone Ranger or something down there. So I'll just drop that down. Yeah, a bit of fluff on the bottom, but see how we go. Some wild head shakes here. Oh, that's why. It's a massive Grassy. Oop, he farted on the way up. Well, that's something different. Grassy. I love eating these things. Beautiful fish. Nice blue little colour on the nose, under the eye there. Woo! Good in there. This is a big fish. It's a big shark, that's why. Big shark. There we go. Alright. Fuck this, I'm going. Righto guys, I'm gonna head back to the hut. It is just way too hot out here. There is just not an ounce of breeze at all, which is ideal when you're fishing out here, to be honest, but in the middle of summer it can get very, very exhausting, and especially when you don't have a canopy. I'm just sweating right now. It's just so uncomfortable, and the fish have sort of turned off, so gonna go back to the hut and chill out there for a bit and probably check the pots a bit later. So I'll see you when I do that.